Hello and welcome to AI on Autopilot Academy. I'm Marie Fabiola Pedian, founder of MP Solutions AI and author of AI Agents That Work While You Sleep. I'm so excited that you're here. By joining this academy, you've taken an important step toward working smarter, growing faster, and using artificial intelligence to transform the way you do business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, business owner, coach, consultant, healthcare professional, or someone who simply wants to stay ahead in today's AI powered world, you're in the right place. My mission is simple: to make AI easy, practical, and profitable for everyone. Inside this academy, I'll show you how to use today's most powerful AI tools to save time, automate repetitive work, create amazing content, generate more leads, improve customer experiences, and build systems that continue working for you even while you sleep. The best part? You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need a technical background, and you don't need a huge budget. I'll guide you step by step through every lesson using real world examples, hands on demonstrations, and practical exercises that you can apply to your business immediately. This isn't just another course where you watch videos and forget what you learned. This is a place where you'll build real AI systems, create powerful automations, and develop skills that can help you grow your business, increase your income, and give you back your most valuable asset, your time. I encourage you to take your time with each lesson, complete the exercises, and most importantly, implement what you learn. Small actions taken consistently create extraordinary results. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. You're still the CEO. AI is simply the team that helps you accomplish more than you ever thought possible. Thank you for trusting me to be part of your AI journey. I can't wait to see what you build, what you automate, and how your business grows. Once again, welcome to AI on Autopilot Academy. Let's build the future of your business together. I'll see you in the first lesson.